Welcome, and thank you for taking a few minutes to listen to this presentation, which is part of a series that explores how cloud computing can help the small business. My name is Jorge Pereira, and I am a principal consultant here at Averro. We understand that time is valuable, so we have kept these presentations short and to the point. No more than 10 minutes in length each is the goal. The intended audience is the business owner, so please do not expect much technical depth. In part 1 of the series, we cover some of the basic concepts of cloud services, including its definition, types or categories, and deployment models. This presentation covers some of the key benefits this technology brings to your small business. Before we begin, a quick blurb about Averro, a consulting firm based in Bellevue, Washington, that helps its clients with technology transformation projects in the areas of cloud services, migrations to the cloud, desktop optimization, Windows 7, migrations, and implementation of SharePoint, including development. We would love to help your organization in any of these areas. We will be providing contact information at the end of this presentation. Now, let's move on to the topic at hand. IT setup, maintenance, and support can be a time-consuming and expensive proposition. This is especially true for small to medium businesses. Cloud services essentially allow businesses to transfer the responsibility for IT maintenance, software upgrades, and any system issues onto the service providers, allowing the business to focus on their core business instead of their IT infrastructure. Now that we have an understanding of the landscape and the challenges accordingly, let us move on to taking a bit deeper step into understanding the key advantages offered by the cloud services in the context of the small, medium, and even some of the enterprise businesses. They can be summarized into 6 areas: quick and easy setup, a significant cost savings in the acquisition and operational cost, on-demand scalability, anywhere, anytime access, always up-to-date and secure. We will explain each one of these topics in the next few slides. Quick and easy setup. There is no need to install new hardware or software as everything is run by the provider. Typically, you provision and manage the service via a web interface. Some striking examples of these include cloud-based phone services, or PBXs. How long did it take you to provision a phone system in the past? Weeks? Days? How about the setup? Today, you can provision and launch a cloud-based PBX and with automated call distribution, or ACD, within minutes. How about a shared company-wide storage drive with a large storage capability? Do you think weeks, days to install? Today, the same can be accomplished again with a web interface and within minutes. You can try the services using the free trial service from most of the providers, and a lot of these providers do not have long-term contracts in place. Cost savings. Businesses that move to the cloud can experience immediate savings at many different levels. The primary ones include the savings associated with the lack of need to buy or upgrade that IT hardware and expensive software. The next big one is the fact that you will need less staff and support resources, as you will have much less equipment and software to maintain. Lastly, and granted, this is a soft cost, you will not have to pay for breakdowns and have far less downtime. In fact, last September, analyst group IDC estimated that a business can instantly reduce their IT spending by approximately 54% moving to cloud-based services solutions. Ultimately, cloud services help significantly reduce the capital expenses and also move some of those capital expenses into operational expenses. Reliability and up-to-date systems. Primarily because of healthy competition, service providers constantly improve upon their service offerings, upgrading their systems and adding new features, while ensuring compatibility. In turn, you experience less downtime than when managing IT systems in-house, and any problems can be solved far quicker by being fixed centrally. IDC estimates that businesses operating in the cloud achieve 97% greater IT reliability. Security. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but cloud storage and services in general are in fact a great deal more protected than many small and medium-sized businesses are able to do in-house. At many smaller organizations, locally filed data are at a threat from theft, fire, software issues, and computer failure. Cloud storage will offer built-in redundancy at every level, including hard drives, machines, and data centers. Argued by some, cloud services can be far more secure than traditional in-house IT, especially those used by small and medium businesses. It's all about the economy of scale. Many cloud suppliers employ security experts, invest vast amount of money into securing their applications and technologies beyond the means of any small business. We hope you have a much better understanding of how cloud computing can benefit your business. To summarize the key point of this presentation, I would say that cloud services' key value proposition is that it provides peace of mind at a significantly reduced cost about the underlying technology that supports your business and allows you to focus on your core business. This is true for all service types and categories within the cloud services space. Cloud computing has proven to be a game changer for many companies that have taken advantage of its capabilities. Not only significantly reduces the cost, but more importantly, provides you a much more agile alternative to installing, running, and maintaining services and software in-house. Often, the migration path into the cloud feels like an overwhelming leap of faith for those that have traditionally operated computer environments on their own premises, and this is where we believe we can help. We are passionate about cloud computing, and we have lots of experience in this space. Our contact information is displayed on this screen. Listen to follow-up presentations on this topic, where we will be covering some of the key cloud services and products which are available out there for small businesses. We thank you for listening to this presentation and hope you enjoyed it. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.